Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11 keyboard not working. First method is click Start, Settings. Click Accessibility. Click Keyboard. Turn on-screen keyboard. Now you can use on-screen keyboard. Also make sure turn off sticky keys, filter keys, and toggle keys. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboards. Right-click keyboard, click Update Driver. Click Browse My Computer for drivers, click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click Yes to restart computer. Third method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand keyboard. Right-click keyboard, click Uninstall device, click Uninstall, click Yes to restart computer. Fourth method is click Start, Settings, click Accessibility, click Keyboard, click Turn on-screen keyboard. Right-click Start button, click Run, type regedit in on-screen keyboard. Click and expand H-key local machine. Click and expand System. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click I8042PRT. Open Start, change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor, restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.